Assalamu alaikum aziz qarindoshlar. Men Ayub Sadirjan Qozog'istondan Dünya Uyg'ur qurultayiningki Qozog'istonda vakillarining biri bo'lib inshaalloh xizmat qilyapmiz. O'zim 2001-yildan tortib 2007-yilgacha Misrda o'qigan, ta'lim hosil qilgan Azhar universitetida. Shu jarayonda 2007-yili otishliq, ya'ni otishliq bir qiz bilan Muyassar degan to'y qilgan. To'y qilib 2016-yilgacha biz bizning aramizda mana 3 balimiz bor. Elhamdülillah Allah bergan 3 balimiz bor. Ammo 2016-yili 9-oyda Xitoylarning hilmikarlik siyosati bilan siz hozir darhol kirmasangiz dadingizni turmush so'lab qo'ydik. Siz ba'zi bir savollarga javob bermasangiz dadingizni qo'yib bermaymiz deyish orqali biz hemen ailemle bir haftalik yol şu atışkı yolga selip 3 bal bilan Qozog'istonda qolgan. Ama bugün güngacha mana 3 yıl 6 ayga yaqin bo'lib qoldi. Ayolimdan hech qanday xabar yo'q. Endi anglashimizcha xabar topganimiz bo'yicha o'sha ayolimni va shundaqla bu ayolimni Muyassarni va shundaqla apsi To'xtugulni ve ayolimning inisi İlyascanni lagerlarga solab etibdi deb anıldık. Ama apamni 19 yılga şu hajga borganlik sababidan tufaylidan ve Qozog'istonga qizini yo'qlab kelganligining tufaylidan 19 yılga turmaga solab etibdi deb anıldık. Endi hozirgacha hech qanday bir xabar yo'q. Ammo 2 oy burun şu ayolimni chiqdi degan xabarlarmi ba'zi bir taraflardan kelgan bo'lsa-mu, biroq da 2 oy 3 oyning jarayonida ayolim o'zining 3 balasining hech qanday bir xabarini elishga tirishmadi. Ya'ni balalarim qandaqmi deb qo'ygan bir uchur yo'llamadi ya telefonmi qilmadi. Endi mushuning qaraganda bu lagerlarda bilmayman nim ta'sir qildi ya Xitoylarning zolim Xitoylarning bir nimalari ukollari yoki bo'lmasa bir ashunaq bir suiqasdlarga uchurdimi uni aniqlash hech qanday fursat bo'lmadi menga. Shunga butun dunyodagi şu insan hukukunu qo'g'dayotgan akadlarimizdan murojaat qiladiganimiz hamma davlatda o'zining haq huquqini ishiltib, kuchini ishiltib, şu bizning Uyg'urlarning beshiga kelgan bu zulmatga birga qarshi turishni murojaat qilma. Rahmat.
So, my name is Gene. I'm going to translate now. This is Sadirjan Ayupov. He's a citizen of Kazakhstan. He is testifying for his wife, Muyassar Muhammad. So she is originally herself from Atush. The two of them met while in they met in 2007 they met in Egypt, and so then they got married. Then they later had 3 kids, the oldest of which is now is 8. The others are younger. So in 2016, at the end of 2016, his wife was forced to leave Kazakhstan and had to go back to so-called Xinjiang because they supposedly told her that her father had gotten arrested and she needed to come back for this reason. When she went, she disappeared, she was arrested, and until maybe 2 or 3 months ago, or 1 or 2 months ago, they had not much news of her, and recently they just heard that she had supposedly, a month or 2 ago, gotten released, but they still cannot normally contact her. They don't know what happened to her. She cannot come and see her 3 children. And so once again, Sadirjan is making an appeal. He's doing a testimony, appealing to organizations around the world, to governments around the world, to force China to close these camps, to return to them their basic rights, and to restore their families. Thank you. Golden.
Thank you.